Get up, you filthy bastard. You just spilled beer all over the place. Well, listen to what?
Nothing. It ain't clean.
I know.
The dreaded sound from the sun. Yeah,
You just spilled beer all over yourself.
the dreaded sound of the south. Yeah, play it. That's where it's coming from.
What's coming from what?
The sounds of the south. Person that's not playing this shit.
Dude, you fell asleep with a beer in your hand and you just poured it all over yourself.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I just get my chance of tuning. No chance of tuning it. I'm playing it.
I know, what the fuck?
I don't know.
Let's go back to bed. Fuck it.
Oh my. No. You don't know the tuning, man.
The tuning of what? You were asleep 2 minutes ago.
Garbage.
What?
Of garbage.
You just poured your beer all over yourself.
No, I didn't.
I swear to God, you just did.
No, my stomach feels pretty dry.
Yeah. Feel your feet.
Oh, my feet.
Feel your feet. They're wet. I promise you. Come on. Feel your pant leg. How can you not feel that beer on you down there?
I can feel that.
You can feel that? So do you acknowledge you were sleeping with the beer on your stomach and then you moved? So what do you got to say?
I don't know, man. Whack ass shit.
Oh man. Alright, well, it's time to paper towel that beer up.
So we're gonna take a shit.
I swear. You were dead ass asleep 2 minutes ago.
I don't think so.
What do you mean